In this video, we check out the original Los Angeles Flower Market, which is celebrating their 100th anniversary, next on Jaycation. What's up, Jaycationers? Welcome back to the first video in the Los Angeles series. Today I am here in the Los Angeles Flower District, and this is the Los Angeles Flower Market, the original flower market, which is celebrating their 100th anniversary. And today I have a special guest. This is my friend Amanda. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm excited to explore.
And you got your flower dress on today?
Yes, ready.
And I got my red roses on. And yeah, we're about to explore the 100th anniversary of the original Los Angeles Flower Market. And you know, I had to bring her along because I don't really know much about roses except for what my mom says.
I'll help you out, don't worry.
She'll help you out.
I'll help you out.
All right, cool. All right, guys, let's go inside and check it out.
These look like some irises. Oh yeah, they smell amazing.
Really colorful over here. They got some blues, violets.
Some little cactuses down here.
Just so you know, guys, the flower market is rarely open on Sundays. From Monday to Thursday, it's open from 5 to 12, and then Friday and Saturday, it's 5 to 2. Amanda, there's 45 different stalls, and they're all family owned over here. I think this whole district, there's a few other places, but this one area we're at is just the original flower market, and they're all like spread around. She's gonna show us a little knowledge about picking flowers and stuff, so let's go.
I like to get flowers like on a weekly basis, and really the way that I choose flowers is I kind of go off of like the type of emotion that I want to kind of draw in, or like the feeling that I want to draw into my life. Colors actually play like a huge role in our emotions and like bringing out certain emotions in our lives. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of go around and talk about like different colors and kind of how you want to select different flowers for you.
What's up, man? Nice to meet y'all. Sai Vasquez right here. Come to Julio's Flower Shop. Best flowers in LA.
What's your favorite flower here, dude?
I like the big bouquets because they got a lot of expensive flowers. We got pom-poms, roses, baby's breaths, lilies, and green mist. A lot of flowers here.
Your family's own this?
Yup, family business, family business. My mom's Julia.
So you grew up doing this, huh?
Yeah, since I was a baby, man.
Awesome, bro.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, man.
Not a problem, man. Thank you.
So I typically go for sunflowers when I want a little bit more like cheer in my apartment. If you look at sunflowers, they look like the sun. Their petals represent like the sun rays. So yeah, they just kind of bring a little bit of cheer, a little bit of warmth into your apartment. So yeah, if that's what you're looking for, sunflowers are for you.
Awesome. And how much are these?
These are $5 a bunch, which I think is an awesome price. And as you can see, like these are like pretty amazing, just better quality than the ones that you get at the supermarkets.
A lot of these stalls are like wholesale flower stalls, and every sign has the name of the business and the phone number. So if you're walking by and you really like some of the stuff here, you just call their phone number and then place an order. Walking around, they got some Hawaiian leis. I know graduation season just ended. Amanda's checking out some carnations now.
I love carnations because they're really cheap and they last a long time, and they're super cute.
And it matches your dress right now. Look at that. They also sell like really nice vases here. And Amanda was saying that if you're walking around and you're in a pinch to like for a Mother's Day present,
Mother's Day,
or like your auntie's birthday, you come here, pick up some roses, and then go over here.
Good to go.
Grab a vase, and you're good. Good call. Nice call. So we're in our warehouse, and it's a rave. It's turned into a rave. Since I know absolutely nothing about the different colors and what they signify, I'm gonna let her tell you a little bit about different colors and stuff.
Since the flower market is celebrating their 100 years of color, I thought it'd be cool to kind of just go over the different colors that we have and what they mean as far as like symbolism and just like the emotions that they can bring out for you. Yeah, I typically go for red when I want to bring out like romance, passion. It's really good to give to a lover, of course, Valentine's Day. And then I typically go for like the yellows when I want that like pop of happiness in my apartment. So yellow brings out happiness, cheerfulness. And then we have white. White is really good for purity. So I don't know, maybe you're going to like a friend's baptism or a wedding, but white is the color of purity. So if you want to bring out more pureness in yourself, that's a really great color to work with.
So what are you in the mood for today?
I'm feeling orange. Let's go orange.
Yeah, you are rocking the orange. I got the orange kicks today too.
Oh, those are clean.
What's up, David?
Hey, how you doing, guys? My name is David, and I'm president of Sunrise Wholesale Flowers. And we have the best selection in fresh cut flowers from around the world. And whenever you guys want, well, you're very welcome. Thank you. You have a good day.
Thanks, man. What's your favorite flowers?
Ranunculus and sunflowers. Check it out.
Oh, nice, man. That's beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Wait a minute. So these are like, if you're about to propose or something, right? That's like, you spread that around the bed or around the hallway.
Or in your bathtub.
Bathtub with a bath bomb from Bath and Body Works. David was telling us that they import a lot of their flowers from like Amsterdam and Holland.
Yeah.
And if you guys haven't seen my Kuchenhof video yet, go check it out here in the link in the description box. Also the Carlsbad flower fields. The reason why I'm here today is because I did a video on Carlsbad flower fields, and they actually asked me to come here and show off their 100th anniversary. So
There you go.
thanks for coming here.
Yeah.
Subscribe to Jaycation. Please hit that like button. It helps distribute it throughout YouTube. And let's get back to this video and show you more of the flowers of the original flower market here in LA. We just reached the plant area, and they have like mini cacti and a bunch of succulents. And shout out to my entire family back in San Diego and in Vegas. I know all y'all love succulents because I always see you guys going out buying these things, and I go to your house and there's a big succulent garden in the backyard. Kind of cold in here, huh? Time to get back out. We're gonna get out of here. It's a little too cold here.
It's so cold.
We're in a freezer.
Look at these money trees. You're trying to win the lottery. Buy a money tree.
You heard it from her. Buy a money tree. All right, Jaycationers, so that was the original Los Angeles flower market. Thanks for coming around and showing me and educating us about the flowers and the colors and stuff. But this video is not over yet.
No, it's not.
LA is known for its tacos, and Amanda here knows a really great spot. Where are we going? Secret?
Hold on a second.
Okay, let's go. Just a little tip about parking. It says $3, but that's only for the first 15 minutes.
And they have it in real tiny writing, so
Yeah,
thank you.
and their max is $10 for the day. So we both spent $10 for the parking. Yeah, expect to pay $10 on a weekend to park near the flower market.
Yeah.
Now we're here at
Sonora Town. So Sonora Town's a pretty popular taqueria down in downtown LA. And what's cool is that it's only a quarter mile from the flower market. So after you get your flowers, you can come over here for some delicious tacos. They make all of their tortillas in-house, and their specialty is the flour tortillas.
Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, Jaycationers, so we're out here at the Sonoratown patio, and they were nice enough to give us a few postcards. So she's taking one home, but I'm gonna give these away. Comment down below the name of this place. It's right here. And I will choose 2 lucky winners to send this to with a personalized message from Jaycation. And if you want one from her too,
I'll do it too.
she'll do it too. Anyways, guys, we are trying their horchata.
So good.
You got one too.
Yeah.
Cheers. Thanks for coming along.
Thanks for having me.
What do we have in the horchata? This is what happens, guys. This is the bloopers we were talking about right here.
So this one's cool because it's made with coconut milk instead of regular milk.
Ooh, coconut milk, nice. You a fan of coconut milk?
I am now.
Nice, me too. Oh, that's good. Refreshing on a warm summer July day.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Oh, this is like one of their specialties, the caramello. Basically, it's like a tortilla slash burrito with a bunch of like pinto beans, meat, guacamole.
No vegan diet, huh?
Not on the weekends.
I got the Castillo steak and the chorizo. Looks like they have some cabbage on top with red and green sauce. Looks good. They give you some radishes with some lime. You guys know I love lime. Ooh, spring onion like calçots in Barcelona. We're gonna sprinkle. How you like that so far? It just looks like a giant taco.
Basically.
This is actually like a tostada, guys. I was about to try to bend it, fold it, but it's hard.
That's what she said.
See?
He's rubbing off on me.
She already knows me. That's what she said too. Cut. That was good. That was a good one.
You said it.
I did say that. I'm prime. I'm prime for the taking. That's why you like my channel, right?
It's definitely that's what she said, Joe.
Nope. Overkill.
That's what she said. Ha! I don't get it. Grapes, seductive.
Oh, it's really good.
Are there good tacos in San Diego?
Oh yeah. So like what I would say is San Diego is like really great Mexican food overall. Cali burritos,
Oh yeah, Cali burrito.
birria tacos. But here in LA, I think you guys take the cake overall with tacos. Like with the food trucks, the taco trucks.
There's
LA gets the tacos.
There's this place though. It's in Chula Vista.
Mm-hmm.
What's it called?
Chu-
Tacos El Gordo.
Tacos El Gordo, yeah.
Tacos El Gordo.
Yeah.
Best adobada.
Mm-hmm.
Best adobada.
See, she speaks our language, you guys. Adobada. We're gonna try the steak. This is the costilla. Let's put more lime on it. Cheers. That's flavorful. The marinade in this is really flavorful.
It's kind of spicy too.
2 thumbs up on that, for sure. I would definitely recommend the steak taco. I get 3 of those if I go back. All right, Jaycationers, so that was Sonora Town. Thanks for taking me there, that was great. Are you full?
It's so cool.
Yeah, had to throw in a little bit of Mexican food in this video since we're up in LA. Got some succulents for Mom and Amanda picked up. These are beautiful. Really good deal, right?
$10 for a whole dozen.
Nice. She got round 2.
I couldn't help it.
Look at the name of this place.
Hey, I didn't know you owned a plant shop.
I own a plant shop.
Wow.
Yeah. 50% off, guys, if you come here.
Secrets.
Mention Jaycation at Jay's Plants. No, I'm just kidding. That's a joke, guys.
Definitely don't do that.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
He's like, but Jaycation said this was his place.
There's the original LA Flower Market. Shout out to their 100 years.
Yeah,
Thanks for dropping all that knowledge about the flowers and stuff. Being my bodyguard today.
absolutely.
Follow her at Instagram. It's right here, down below. Please like this video. It really helps distribute it throughout YouTube. Consider subscribing to Jaycation. I have San Diego, Las Vegas, World, Barcelona content. That's how you. That's how
I found
me,
this guy.
right? Barcelona. So and now LA. So check it out, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Go check out the original Los Angeles Flower Market. Thanks again, Amanda, for coming.
Thanks, guys.
We'll see you next time. And in the words of Ron Burgundy, stay traveling, San Diego.